Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reset and restore your Apple iPhone 12. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. First, I'll show you how to do it if you're on the phone and you can access the settings, and then I'll show you if you're unable to kind of log in how to reset it. So first, I'll walk you through, let's go into settings here, and then once we go into settings, we'll just scroll down to general, and then at the very bottom you can see reset. And gives you all kinds of different options. Reset all settings, erase all content and settings. So the second one basically resets your iPhone so that it's, as if it just came out of the package, it's brand new. You can tap reset network settings. This will delete all your Wi-Fi, kind of reset your LTE. This is a great thing to do if you consistently have bad internet connection. And then you can also reset your keyboard, home screen layout, location, and privacy. So these are all different ways that you can reset and kind of restore your iPhone 12. However, if you go back out of here and say you can't access this, you can only access the kind of lock screen. What you can do is a quick kind of, steps. First, what you'll do is tap the volume up button and then tap the volume down button and then press and hold the power button on the other side. So again, tap the volume up button, then tap the volume down button, and then you'll want to tap and hold the power button on the right hand side of the iPhone. So that's a different way that you can kind of reset and do a hard reset on your iPhone, just in case you potentially can't access the actual iPhone. That's a good other option to reset and restore your iPhone 12. Hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe. Thanks.